Hello, I'm Keith Mensing, Tech Service Manager for Rudolph Brothers & Company. Welcome to our Tech Corner. Today we're going to show you how to properly load the Betagun with X2500 Plus cartridge kits. Let's start by getting the Betagun ready. Most of the newer guns from the last few years are European, you can tell by the plug, so they're going to require a converter. Take our converter, the first thing we're going to want to do is tune to the back and make sure that our switch for the input is set to 115 volts. Once we have it set to that, we can plug our Betagun into the front outlet, plug the converter into the wall, and then there's also a power switch on the back, so we'll want to make sure it's switched to on. Now that we have the Betagun connected to power, let's go over the basic controls. There's a trigger to drive the plunger forward, secondary trigger that when you push across the face of the gun to make the plungers withdraw to load a cartridge. There's also a button on the far left side of the dispense gun that's orange. That actually is an express button. When you press that and the trigger, you activate the plungers about twice as fast. And to load the cartridges, we'll actually open the housing from the top. All right, now we're going to go ahead and show you how to load the X2500 Plus cartridge kit. So for starters, we're going to remove the diamond and make sure you get rid of this red spacer. That's just trash. Snap on the dynamic mixer to the cartridges. Then we're going to screw on our dispense nozzle, pre-cut with the V-notch. The X2500 Plus cartridge kit comes pre-notched with the guide. If this does not help your process, you can remove it. We're going to lay all this into the Betagun. Snap the cover closed. Now we'll pull the trigger. The pistons will go ahead and start driving the adhesive. We'll dispense a little bit of material out until we make sure we got a good mix and we're ready to actually apply to our substrate.